Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. This video we will talk about Bitcoin on track to drop below $10,000. Peter Schiff warns. In a recent interview with Kitco, gold bug Peter Schiff predicted that the price of Bitcoin could still drop below the 10,000 level due to forced selling. He is convinced that Bitcoin topped out at the $69,000 level last November. I don't think it is going to make a new hit. Speaking of Bitcoin's recent rally, the investor claims that it is just a sucker-ass rally. The largest cryptocurrency is trading slightly below the $24,000 level on major spot exchanges. Schiff claims that the supply of cryptocurrencies continues to grow. He believes that there is little difference between Bitcoin and other 20,000 tokens related Ethereum price to soar after merge if this scenario plays out. Arthur Hayes says the prominent investor, who has been bearish on the world's largest cryptocurrency since 2011, described the largest cryptocurrency as a great fool scheme that will inevitably fail. All these great fool schemes always fail. You run out of fools, and the last fool is the backholder. Schiff said it is worth mentioning that Schiff's price predictions should be taken with a pinch of salt. Back in August 2019, the libertarian economist and money manager forecasted that the price of Bitcoin would never reach 50,000. Due to the impressive number of failed price calls, some traders now trade Schiff as a contrarian indicator. The gold bug has been predicting the demise of Bitcoin for more than a decade. Still, even a broken clock is right twice a day. In mid-May, he correctly spotted an ominous formation on the Bitcoin chart. Back then, Bitcoin was trading slightly below the $30,000 level. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.